Hello everyone, and welcome back to Untold Pain Stories, the channel where you improve your English through emotional, inspiring, and unforgettable stories. Today, we bring you the incredible life story of a woman who changed the world with her intelligence, courage, and determination. This is the story of Marie Curie, a woman who faced poverty, discrimination, loss, and countless struggles, but still became one of the greatest scientists in history. Her journey was not easy. It was filled with sacrifices, challenges, failures, and unforgettable achievements. So stay with us until the end, because Marie Curie's story will show you that passion, patience, and hard work can truly change the world. Now, let's begin. On November 7, 1867, a baby girl was born in Warsaw, Poland. Her name was Maria Skłodowska. Years later, the world would know her as Marie Curie. At that time, Poland was going through political struggle and hardship. The country was under foreign control, and freedom was only a dream for many people. Education was also limited, especially for women. But Maria was born into a family that valued knowledge deeply. Her father, Władysław, was a teacher of mathematics and physics. Her mother, Bronisława, was also an educator and believed strongly in learning. From the very beginning, Maria grew up in an environment where education was respected, but life was not easy. When she was still a young girl, tragedy struck her life. Mother became seriously ill and passed away. This loss deeply affected Maria. She was still very young, but she experienced pain that shaped her entire personality. Instead of breaking her, it made her more focused and more determined. Even at school, Maria stood out. She was intelligent, curious, and extremely hardworking. She never liked memorizing things without understanding them. She always asked why and how. But there was a big problem in her life. At that time in Poland, women were not allowed to attend higher education universities. This could have stopped her dream completely. But Maria refused to stop. She joined secret underground classes called flying universities, where students studied science and philosophy in hidden places. It was risky, but she continued anyway, because her dream was bigger than her fear. She had one strong goal: to study in Paris, France, where universities accepted women and offered better opportunities. But her family had no money to send her abroad, so she made a sacrifice that changed her life. She worked as a governess, teaching children in wealthy families. She lived a lonely life, worked long hours, and saved every possible penny. Even after finishing work, she studied late at night under dim light. Sometimes she was exhausted, sometimes she felt alone, but she never stopped. Her dream kept her alive. After years of struggle, she finally saved enough money, and in 1891, she left Poland and moved to Paris. Life in Paris was even harder than she expected. She enrolled at the University of Paris, Sorbonne, but she lived in extreme poverty. Her room was small and cold. Many days she had almost no food and survived on tea and bread. But she never complained. She believed that suffering today would build her future. While other students enjoyed their lives, Maria spent all her time studying physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Slowly, she became one of the top students at the university. This was the beginning of her transformation. During this time, she met Marie Curie, a brilliant scientist who shared the same passion for research. Their connection grew through science, curiosity, and deep respect. Soon, they got married and became partners in both life and research. Together, they started studying a mysterious phenomenon called radioactivity, which had recently been discovered by Henry Becquerel. Maria became deeply fascinated by it and decided to explore it further. They worked in a simple laboratory with almost no proper equipment. Conditions were extremely difficult, but their determination was stronger than their circumstances. They spent years processing tons of mineral samples, repeating experiments again and again, without giving up. Finally, their hard work paid off. They discovered two new elements, polonium, named after Maria's homeland Poland, and radium. This discovery shocked the scientific world and changed physics forever. In 1903, Marie Curie, and Henry Becquerel received the Nobel Prize in Physics. Marie Curie became the first woman in history to win a Nobel Prize. But even after this historic achievement, she did not stop. She continued her research with the same passion. Because for her, science was not about fame. It was about discovery. Then tragedy struck. In 1906, Marie Curie died in a tragic accident. Marie's world collapsed. She lost not only her husband but also her closest partner in science and life. Many people thought she would stop her work, but she didn't. She continued their research alone and became the first female professor at the University of Paris. Years later, in 1911, she received her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, becoming the first person in history to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields. Even then, she faced criticism and discrimination, but she never allowed negativity to stop her. During World War I, she used her knowledge to develop mobile, X-ray machines that helped doctors treat wounded soldiers on the battlefield. She personally trained medical staff and worked to save lives. Her science was not just discovery, it was service to humanity. Despite her fame, she lived a very simple life. She never cared about luxury or wealth. Her only focus was knowledge and contribution to the world. But years of working with radioactive materials slowly affected her health. At that time, people did not understand radiation risks properly. Eventually, she became seriously ill. On July 4, 1934, Marie Curie passed away at the age of 66. The world lost a genius, but her legacy never ended. Today, Marie Curie is remembered as a pioneer of science, a symbol of courage and a role model for generations. Her discoveries still help in medicine, especially in cancer treatment and research. But her greatest legacy is not only what she discovered, it is how she lived. She proved that success does not depend on where you start, but on how determined you are to continue. She faced poverty but never stopped dreaming. She faced rejection but never stopped learning. She faced loss but never stopped moving forward. Her life teaches us one powerful lesson. Your circumstances do not define your future. Your actions do. The little girl from Poland became one of the greatest scientists in history, and her story continues to inspire the world. Thank you for listening to Untold Pain Stories. If you enjoyed this inspiring English learning story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more emotional and motivational stories. Keep learning English through stories, and we will meet you in the next one.